Hola clase, it is Monday, March 23rd, 2020. We are ready to start our second week of remote learning. We're doing an okay job. In seventh grade, I am having quite a few people not submit work. And so you want to make sure you're checking into PowerSchool daily. Some grades are not looking so great. So make sure that you are getting that work done. If you need my help, please let me know. I'm available every day from 10 to 4. And so on the weekends, I do. This weekend, I wasn't on at all on Saturday. I needed a little break. So my advice to you is work really hard through the week, do your assignments the day they're assigned, and then you can take the weekend off and not have to worry about it. At the time of me making this recording on Sunday, there are quite a few people that at this point are going to be receiving zeros for some work Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of last week. So stay on top of that. What my personal kids, Abby and Matthew, are doing is they are going to class every day, Monday through Friday, like they were in school. So like they go to first period, do their work, second period, do the work, third period, do the work, and they work through their whole day like that. If that doesn't work for you, you also might try making a list. So for like Monday, write down Monday, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, or whatever your classes are in order. And then as you get those done, cross them off so that you're sure you've gotten all the assignments done. Because usually we don't have homework every day in classes. And so right now that's a little bit different. So just a couple tips that might help you. Again, reach out to me if there's anything I can do to help you out. All right, so this week, like I said, today is Monday, the 23rd. So en español, hoy es lunes, el 23 de marzo, 2020. So we are ready to start another week. We are working on los números más grandes, larger numbers. Your recordings were good. We had some pronunciation errors, but that's to be understood because we're not there practicing them out loud as much as we would be if we were in class. So just to review, remember if you're just saying 100, it's just cien. But then if you want to say like 111, it's ciento once. So it changes to the ciento once you get up there. Most of you recognized when you were analyzing the numbers, they all have that ientos minus cien or ciento. And then, so that was good observation on your part. And the two that we're really having a hard time with pronouncing are 500, which is quinientos, quinientos, and 900, novecientos. Novecientos. Another one that is a little tricky, but we're doing okay with is 700, which is setecientos. But overall, you're doing a great job. Since we can't be together practicing these, your recording sounded good. If you missed points, it was probably because you forgot to start at 0. So this is how your recording should have sounded. Cero, cien, doscientos, trescientos, cuatrocientos, quinientos, seiscientos, setecientos, ochocientos, novecientos, mil. Okay, 1,000 is just mil. And then I think I have it scheduled for tomorrow. You are going to learn to count by the thousands. It's very, very easy. Probably should have started with those. They're way easy. So today what you're going to do is you're going to hop over into our calendar and look for the things for today. So remember, there will be 2 items for me every day. This remote e-learning and then the date, that is always your lesson and resources. Make sure you're watching the videos. I got some questions. I don't know how to count by the hundreds. I don't have those notes. That told me right away you did not access this first. You went straight to the lesson. So make sure, to the assignment. So make sure that you're doing the lesson first. So go there, click here. And that's going to take you to this page. Remember, this has changed now. Anything from Monday, Tuesday is still due Wednesday, but that's the 25th this week. As a reminder as well, if you don't submit on the day that I assign it, it's going to show up late in Canvas, but you can still submit it by whatever the date is. So like anything from today, Monday, has to be in by Wednesday at 11:59 or it'll be a 0. This video will be embedded here, and then we scroll down to here. Today it's just review, going back through that Los Números Más Grandes video. And that's going to take you out to YouTube. Quite a few people have viewed that. Okay, so that does that to me sometimes. If that does that to you, just give it a chance to work all the way through. Because I had some people say, well, I couldn't see the video. I think if you just let it go a little bit further, you might be able to. If you can't, close out and try again. And then if you still can't, this video is embedded within the e-learning module, so you can access it there as well. All right, so once you've watched that, then you're going to do your assignment for today, and it's called Identifying Larger Numbers in Spanish. When I go out to that, it's going to be locked. It's locked until 7 a.m., but I'm going to go out so you can kind of get an idea what that's going to look like. It is a graded quiz. It's just 5 questions. You're going to use your understanding of larger numbers in Spanish to answer the questions. I have typed out in Spanish the number, and then you're looking for the standard form match. So like if I had typed uno, which is not a larger number, but if that's what I had typed, you would be looking for the number 1 as your answer. So that's just 5 questions to give you a little bit of review on that. So there's that. Other things that we need to discuss. So let me go back here. You are going to have a test on Friday, March 27th over los números más grande. There's no par empezar this week. Again, I feel like you're getting plenty to do otherwise, so we don't need to work on that. Another thing, depending on when you're watching this video, you may have received or you will be receiving an invitation through the Canvas inbox to join a Zoom video chat with me on Tuesday. I had some people join on Friday, and that was fun. I think we had siete or nueve personas. I can't remember. And so we even had Senorita Blanca join us. And so that was really fun. So we're going to do another Zoom chat on Tuesday. And that would be the 24th. And so you should get an invitation to that sometime today. There will be a link that you can click. And when it comes time to join that chat on Tuesday, you'll just click that link and it'll let you join in. The directions for how to join a Zoom chat are in modules. I just put it in our e-learning module. So let's let that come up. Okay, here we go. And I just pulled that to the top of the page. So it says how to access a Zoom. And this is what mine looks like. Yours will look the same, but it just gives you some steps that you can walk through if you're having struggles with that. But really what you're going to get from me is an inbox message that will have a link to the Zoom meeting. I guess it's called a meeting, not a video chat. And so if you can join us at 10:30 on Tuesday, the 24th, that would be awesome. I miss seeing you in class, so it'd be a good opportunity for us to habla español, ¿sí? All right, I think that's all you need for today, class. And remember, if you have any questions or need my help, send me an email or send me a message through Canvas. Please continue to work hard. I'm very proud of what you're doing, and make sure you're staying on top of your assignments. Adios.